Station Master Steve brought this over and he said, you have to show this on today's live. And this is where I need Thunder Turbine to step in. Do you know anything about this Thunder Turbine? This is an all-new release from Hornby. Okay? Now, I don't know much about trains, and you don't have to be, I'm an RC guy. You don't have to be a magician to figure that one out. Now, what I like about these is the beautiful 00 scale for a start. Comes with operating instructions. You know what I'm going to do with that? I'm going to throw that straight in the bin.
Yeah. You're the one never looking to...
I'm the one never looking at instructions.
Oh, okay.
Until it's broken and then trying to fix it.
Okay.
So we have the high detail pack here. So there'll be some fixtures and fittings not included in the box to make sure that you can build it exactly how you want it and it's not going to fall apart in transit. Okay. So these are the delicate parts. Again, I would throw that straight in the bin from the get-go because I'll lose it straight away.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't. Have a look at this beautiful packaging. I love Hornby packaging. Their engineer is amazing at doing their packaging. Now let's see if I can get this one out without breaking it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Thunder Turbine will be yelling at me from all the way over there. Oh, look. I have actually got it out, and it's very important to have a look at the arrow on the box.
Oh.
So you know which way that the train's facing. So I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to tip it over here slightly if I can not crash it. And then I'm going to try and zoom in. Okay? Because this thing is absolutely beautiful.
Oh, look at this.
Have a look at this. It is awesome. And this is Lord Hurcomb. And this is the Britannia series, Britannia Class of rail. 1951 to 1954. I was going to say they were produced. I think there was 55 engines in total. I'm really happy to be wrong here, but have a look at the beautiful pinstriping and detailing and the valve work. I just don't know how these guys do it. That is so beautiful. And this is 00 scale, so it's not huge by any means, but it's still going to be a big presence. It's a 7000 series. So this Lord Hurcomb is obviously 7001, but yeah, this Britannia series is 7000 series locomotive. Run by British Railways.
Oh, it's
there
a British train.
Yeah, British train. You'll find all the Hornby ones like this. And is it a driver figure in there? No, it's just valve work, sorry. I was getting confused. I need to get my eyes checked. But have a look at it. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm really excited for somebody who knows more than I to get this thing going. Look at it, comes with the tender. Beautiful. Absolutely love this train. And I love the effects of the pipe work, all the colorations. Looks like, look at that. We've got brass valves on there. Beautiful pinstriping. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Brand new release from Hornby. And this is a DC model. DCC-ready. Takes a 21-pin chip in it. And that's, you get all your digital comforts. Here we go. This is the part that nobody ever gets to see on camera, is when I put the locos back away. They don't believe me that I put it away because I'm scared of it. I'm really scared that I'm going to mishandle it or break it properly. So without it even coming off the bench, look at that. It is back in its box. We're going to put this one back on. Going to put this one back in. And these, I know some collectors, like they just keep their trains in the boxes as well.
Yeah, it's
in between
already beautiful.
It's already beautiful in the box. And they catalog the boxes as well, and they have them all presented beautifully. Because the box is half of the thing. Put this in here, put this away, and this is going to go to a lovely home. Maybe even Thunder Turbine. All new release from Hornby. So I've been told. Let's hope that it's correct. Right.